Now I'm gonna show you the shake that I make. It's a healthy shake, I'm telling you. It's worth trying. It's worth just testing out for yourself. I'm tired of saying try, but it's good to test out for yourself. And so come on, let me just show you how to make the healthiest green smoothie. So I am making pretty much a perfect breakfast because our body requires 90 essential nutrients. It requires 60 minerals, 16 vitamins, 12 amino acids, and 3 fatty acids. If you get all of these daily, you will have exactly what you need every day to have long life. Because y'all know I'm talking about the 100 club, living beyond 100. So this is something that you can take every day. Every day, fam. I mean, every day. Because we're talking about remaining healthy. Now, I'm showing you a green smoothie, one of my favorite green smoothies. Now, I'm starting off with cucumber. Now, these are the important ingredients, your vegetables. Your vegetables are important. I'm using cucumber. Now, I'm putting my protein powder for my amino acids. I add 2 scoops of my protein powder. Avocado. You can put spinach in there, but you just see I'm just using cucumber and avocado. So it gives you your magnesium, your fiber, and y'all know this is food for our gut because some of us need to go to the bathroom more than the other. But we all need to go to the bathroom just for good gut health. So that's why I'm using the cucumber and the avocado. Now, you already know you got to have a base. So instead of water, I'm just using some milk. I'm not using dairy. This is plant-based. It's a plant-based smoothie. So I'm using coconut milk. Now, you know this is providing my calcium and magnesium. And to make it smooth. Now we're going to add our seeds. I'm putting pumpkin seeds. You already know pumpkin seeds. If you get the raw, killing them. Killing them parasites. But I'm using the pumpkin seeds. So look, men out there, you want to use the pumpkin seeds. This helps with your prostate. Contains zinc and selenium. And for women, it helps with your thyroid. I will put in raw pumpkin seeds. Just a few. I'm not going to put a lot. Now, it's up to you how much cinnamon you want to use. I'll use maybe, you see me shaking it in there. I will use maybe about a teaspoon, but not more than a tablespoon. You see, I just shake it in there because I was just making it real quick. Just for video purposes only. So, but I'm going to use my Ceylon cinnamon. And fam, you don't have to put a lot in. I just put a little bit in. You can just put a pinch. You put less. Especially if you have diabetes. You want to have cinnamon in your diet every day. But it's the correct cinnamon. I got Ceylon cinnamon. You won't just use any kind of cinnamon. Just make sure it's the pure cinnamon. If you got the stick, ground it up and put it in there. It's good for us. It gives you healing and nutrition. Not putting that much in. Of course, the smooth taste. All right, now I got my chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds. For this one today, I'm using flax seeds. This added fiber, but more importantly, these are your omega-3 fats. This is important. These are essential fats that we need every day. So it's good for our cardiovascular system, for your memory, and your hormones, and your nerves, fam. That's why I'm using it. You can use chia seeds or flax seeds. I got flax seeds. So you see I'm adding flax seeds in the mix. Flax seeds for my fiber. And this helps you go to the bathroom. You know I'm the colon queen, so. Put my flax seed in there. Now the most important is your salts. So you got Himalayan sea salt. You use this salt and it gives you your, so you know the salt gives you all 6 the minerals that your body needs. That's why it's good, and that's why I put it in for your brain and for your heart. Because sometimes we miss it and we don't realize the salt. Sometimes, like, people have anemia, salt, it's not going in their cells. It's actually staying outside the cell. So that's why I add the salt, just so I can make sure that my body is getting it and absorbing. It's the absorption. A lot of us missing is the absorption. So I put it in my smoothie. And then it's totally up to you how much salt you want to put in it. Yes, I did say salt. So I just use just a couple of sprinkles. I don't put a lot in there. I just put a little bit in there. And then I put vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. The correct. Don't get vanilla extract imitation. Make sure you get the pure. It's going to cost a little bit, but it's just better to get the right one. So make sure you get it. It's going to be a little expensive, like I said, but it's good to use, you know, the organic vanilla extract from the vanilla bean. Make sure you use the pure vanilla extract, family. Make sure you use pure vanilla extract. I just put a little in there, not a lot, just a little for taste, just a little for taste. And then I add a banana. I know you're like, what in the world? You putting a lot in that smoothie. Oh well, it's for a healthy smoothie, so you don't have to take these extra vitamins and minerals. So this is a healthy smoothie that's going to fill you up for hours. And it's totally up to you, family. If you want to put half a banana, I'm putting a whole banana in there. And then I want to add some Brazilian nuts. Not that much, just a few. It's not that much, fam, just a couple. So I have 2 Brazilian nuts going there. You don't have to have it in there. And look, fam, this is totally up to you. And if it gets too thick, you can thin it out with some more milk. We'll just turn my blender on and blend. Since it's all blended up, I just pour nice and thick. I already know what you're saying. I already know what you're saying. You like, that's a lot of ingredients. I said the same thing, but I was like, know what? I want to make sure I get all of my vitamins and minerals in a healthy smoothie to make sure that I stay full. Now, this made about 20 to 30 ounces. That's how much I made. You can do less, but you want 20 to 25, maybe 30 ounces to make sure that you stay full. So if you make this between 7 and 8 o'clock, you're not going to be hungry until about noon or even 2 o'clock. So, you know, I'm always saying cheers, but just tell you, this is my breakfast. This is my meal. Yes, I do my exercise and stretch, but this is my meal. I know y'all all wanted to see what I be drinking, what I be eating. This is it. And you do taste the banana when you use a whole banana. Now, I know I have two different hemp. So if you use hemp powder, you will taste a little bit more than hemp. But I have the pea protein. It's all vegan. No soy, no GMO. I made sure I got the best. Now, y'all gotta peep the different ingredients yourself. You want to get the best. You want to get you just want to make sure that you're getting something that has everything in everything you need. Meaning, when you choose your milk, I use coconut milk. When I choose my extract, I made sure it was an organic extract, pure, no imitation. Do not use imitation. When I chose my Brazilian nuts, y'all can look, you can use whatever nuts you want. I use Brazilian. People want to know if you put mushrooms. You can't. I'd rather put a mushroom powder than raw mushrooms. So you can't put a raw mushrooms. And you be like, oh, that's nasty. But it's up to you. You know, it's always up to you. As far as a banana, it's up to you. And when you use your greens, I use avocado. You don't have to use avocado. You can use spinach, or you can just use another green. You see, I use cucumbers because I wanted the extra water. I wanted the extra water because I want to make sure I'm staying hydrated. But you can switch out, but I really wouldn't switch out anything. I would use exactly what I use. I know you're like, but I would use exactly what I use so I can make sure I get the maximum benefits. Remember, this is a healthy meal for you. This is breakfast, because everybody be wanting or alternative breakfast, because you be like, I went plant-based and I don't get full. You will get full. And y'all worry about gaining weight. Did you see if I gain weight? I'm saying I've been drinking this for the last 45 days. 45 days, fam. 45 days. If you want to add, you can add, but during your salad, that's when you can add more avocado. You can add your chickpeas. You can add flax seeds. You saw I put flax seeds here. You could put chia seeds in the other. Make sure you use raw pumpkin seeds. You want to use raw pumpkin seeds because y'all talking about if it kills parasites. I'm just saying, family. So now you see what I use and how I maintain my weight. If you want to gain weight, try 2 of these. Do one in the morning and one at night. But listen now. Listen. You just want to do half. I'd rather, instead of drinking both of these, just drink one. You be like, girl, I can't do that. Do what you can. Y'all wanted me to show you a smoothie. This is a smoothie I've been drinking. Well, eating, because this is my meal. Now, I do want you to eat, but I'm just showing you different smoothies. Now, far as the banana, you do not have to have the banana. You don't. You don't have to have the banana. And people want to know if you want to switch off of water. You can switch off of water, but it ain't going to be pretty. You can switch off of water, but it's not going to be pretty. But look, cheers, fam. I'm just showing you a smoothie idea that I do for a healthy, we're talking about a healthy meal plan. Cheers, fam.